Hey guys, what's up? This is Devaney, back, older and wiser. I turned 40 2 days ago on October 30th. Today is November 1st. And I've been recording updates and everything, but I haven't been posting them. But I'm going to definitely post this update. The trusses for 2 of the houses were delivered yesterday. The trusses for the 3rd house is going to be delivered today. So I'm on my way to the property to see and record where we are on the updates that I haven't recorded. The houses are up, the columns are poured, the interior plumbing has been done, and I'll insert some of that footage from the other days that I recorded into this video. Yeah, so I am on my way to the properties now, and I'm gonna record and show you all exactly where we are so you all can see how far we've come this quickly, because what we basically started August 1st or so, beginning of August 1st, August 5th, something like that. And now this is November the 1st. So yeah, I'm here driving to the property with my FSU sweatshirt on. Yes, I am a FSU alumni, class of 99. That's when I graduated from FSU in 99. So yeah, so I'll come back in a second recording at the property site. All right, holla at you all later. Hey guys, what's up? All right, so we're out here inside of the houses, and if you remember, like I said, I'll insert the footage from the last time I came out when all the plumbing was exposed. But now all of the plumbing is, I'm trying to do it this way so y'all could kind of see. Now all of the plumbing has been covered up and just sticking out so you could kind of see. Just kind of see where plumbing goes, and these are bedrooms, so, and bathrooms on this side, and on this side over here is hot water heater and kitchen sink and garage. On this, and since the walls aren't up, it always looks so much smaller. But this is the front entrance, the columns here, the entrance to the house. This is the doorway. As a matter of fact, let me come out. Let me turn the camera around so y'all can see what it actually looks like now. So when you enter the house, this is going to be 18010. We numbered all the houses so we remember. But this is a garage. But this is the entrance where the columns have been poured. And then you walk in. They have them ready on the top for the trusses to be attached. If you see out here, we walk through the front door. Now we're gonna walk through the back door. They have the trusses here laying in front of each house. So these are the trusses for this house right here. And then those are the trusses for that house. And you see them, they're removing they did a pour of the concrete and let it dry. And now they're removing the wood from when they did the concrete pour on this one. So if you see them, and then you see this is how it looks when the concrete has been poured after they remove the wood to create the mold for them to pour into. So I'm going on the other side. I need to be watching where I step, because a lot of these wood pieces have nails sticking out. Hey, how are you? Hi, hey, Noel. I'm getting this side ready for the 4th house. I do not want to step on a nail. And my shoes are inappropriate for a construction site, but hey, it is quite all right. So you can see over here, they're taking off more wood. And then once they remove all of this wood, see, removing wood. So they have to do the build up with the wood so that they can do the pour with the concrete, because you know in Miami-Dade County all houses have to be made out of concrete. So they're made out of concrete block in conjunction with poured concrete. And so yeah, let me turn the camera around. Hey, so yeah, once they remove all this wood, the trusses are gonna go up, and this another angle of the trusses. I mean, not that you can see. I'm trying to look to make sure you all can see. But yeah, so when you put the trusses up, issue with that is that you need a crane in order to get these trusses on. And I thought they were going to be putting the trusses on today, but I see why they're not, because they need to take off all of these wood pieces. And we only want to rent the crane for one day, because the crane is like between $500 to $1,000 a day to rent. And we really only want to rent it for that one day, get all the trusses up, and then return it. So this house wouldn't have been ready, you see? Because they're still removing all of that wood from the mold. From the molds that they created. So it really would not have been ready to put the trusses on all 3 houses. So that makes sense. So I'm assuming that tomorrow, matter of fact, let me ask Noel. Noel, mañana, wait, okay, so I just asked our guy if tomorrow they were going to be putting the trusses on, and they said actually nope, they're not. They're thinking about pouring the foundation first on the 2 houses. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I just thought he was going to be putting them on, because the guy from the trusses company called me to tell me he was going to be delivering the 3rd set today, because he wanted his check. So, okay, that's fine. Yeah, so that's where we are. So I guess we're gonna be doing foundation before we put on the trusses. For some reason he wants to wait on the trusses and pour the foundation of the houses. So I guess that's why they got the interior of the houses ready and leveled off on the inside, so that the foundation can be poured. Well, all right. So that's where we are with the houses. Glad I was able to update. And yeah, I'm going to be posting this today. So I can have a good update done. Okay. Maybe I might post 2 updates. Maybe I might post the other ones that I taped together. And then this one as one. All right. So I will holler at you all later. Thanks for watching and seeing this whole project take place. I'll holler at you later. Okay, bye.